Far beyond the clouds, beyond what we can see, there's a battle happening every second. And you didn't even know it. The sun, our life giver, also sends deadly waves of radiation capable of wiping out satellites, power grids, even life itself. But Earth has a secret weapon, an invisible shield, forged in the fiery heart of our planet. This is the Earth's magnetic field, a giant force field created by molten iron swirling in the core, constantly spinning, constantly protecting. As solar winds scream toward us at millions of miles per hour, the magnetic field deflects them like a cosmic goalie. Without it, Earth would be a barren rock, just like Mars. Sometimes particles slip through near the poles and light up the sky in stunning auroras, nature's way of showing off its shield in style. Birds, turtles, even bees use the magnetic field like a GPS to travel thousands of miles. And your compass? It's just borrowing the Earth's natural superpower. But here's the twist. The shield is changing, the poles are moving, and one day, they may even flip. What happens then? Scientists are racing to find out. So next time you look up at the stars, remember, you're alive because a silent force beneath your feet never stops fighting for you. This is the power of Earth's invisible shield.